Okay, welcome to Gilbert Paterson, where we are in full grade 6 open house mode today, welcoming our new Tigers to the building. For many of them, this is their second or third tour through the building because we really believe in the importance of the transition from elementary to middle school and demystifying, dropping shoulders, keeping the lids, pots on the lids, and welcoming them to our new space. Grade 6s are today gathering their locks and getting a few days to practice them before they come back to school on Tuesday. They're also returning to some spaces and figuring out where the learning commons is, the computer labs, the shop rooms, and all of that, which I think again is just demystifying this whole transition piece. We're looking at how can we reduce anxieties. We're looking about how can we make sure they recognize some faces, especially their admin teams, our counseling teams, some teachers. We're making sure they know their spaces in the school so they know what doors to come in or what the hallways look like and where the classrooms look like. And we're also trying to look at the similarities between elementary and middle school. We have desks just like they do. We have smart boards just like they did, laptops, iPads. So a lot of them are going, hey, maybe this isn't such a big transition after all. But we believe in the importance of working with our elementary partners and taking it in one step at a time in this big transition year for our 11, 12-year-olds. Parents are saying, thank you for welcoming us to your building. Thank you for letting us walk it in time and time again, so it's not a one-stop shop. They've had multiple welcomes to this space, and I think that parents are really noting that first, the welcome. And then from there, they just are building. And so we're making connections and building relationships, which is what our division is all about.